Good evening, everyone. I'm Riley King, and welcome to my evening news report right here on the Riley King Network. Let's begin. 149 new COVID-19 cases, 51 in Manchester long-term care facility, announced in New Hampshire. Take a look at this. Case updates. 190 total deaths. 8 new deaths today. 6 connected to long-term care facilities. 3,868 total cases. 149 new cases in 51 cases from single long-term care facility. 8 more Granite Staters die of the coronavirus, health officials say. New Hampshire health officials said Wednesday 149 new COVID-19 cases have been confirmed, and more than 1/3 were at a Manchester long-term care facility. Health Commissioner Lori Shipperton said 51 of the new cases were discovered during a testing event at Villa Crest Nursing and Retirement Center in Manchester. The state has been testing residents and staff members at long-term care facilities in an effort to identify asymptomatic cases of COVID-19. 8 more Granite Staters have died of COVID-19, and 6 were residents of long-term care facilities, officials said. New outbreaks of COVID-19 have been identified at 2 long-term care facilities. 2 residents and 4 staff members at Community Bridges in Belmont tested positive, and 10 residents at Green Bear Healthcare in Nashua were positive for the coronavirus. Governor Chris Sununu said 2 more fixed testing sites in Londonderry and Keene will be open Sunday, bringing the total number of testing sites in the state to 9. Anyone who meets one of the requirements for testing, including anyone age 60 or older, anyone with symptoms, or anyone with certain pre-existing conditions, can schedule an appointment to be tested at one of the locations. Shipperton said that in addition, household members of people who meet one of the current requirements will be able to get tested starting next week, as can staff members at child care centers. Shipperton said testing has been increasing in New Hampshire, saying the state is now averaging more than 2,000 tests per day. And that does it for my evening news report right here on the Riley King Network. Thank you for joining me for this evening news report. Have a great rest of your evening. I'll see you back here tomorrow for another news report. Good night and bye, everyone.